Stop. Keep up. Go. Come on.
Yeah! Yeah! Welcome to Chef Steak. I am your host, Michael Zivlares, along with Vicente Velez. We are going to give you the divisional round of the playoffs. Okay, so last week, no one made any. No, actually, everybody did. I don't know. I just did your picks.
Did I win?
You went 1-3.
You don't know what?
Okay, so last week I went 3-1. The only game I got wrong was the Los Angeles Rams.
What? Oh, never mind. They said Chargers.
Yeah. Then Vicente went 1-3, and they really didn't. Matt went 1-3, and Madden went 1-3 this week. Last week. Eagles play tomorrow.
Oh.
Yeah. So now on to this week. Hopefully Matt should be doing his playoff predictions this week. He's in the other room playing Madden as we speak, carrying the Cleveland Browns to the playoffs. Does his pen work? Right, it works. So our first game here in Philadelphia, the Atlanta Falcons and the Philadelphia Eagles. Me, I'm going with the Eagles.
Whoa.
What?
See, here's the thing is, defense wins championships, right? You feel me?
Yeah, the Eagles have a better defense than the Falcons.
They do have, actually, I don't think so.
Actually, I think so.
But thing is that our offense sucks penis. It's not anything else. It's just Nick Foles cannot throw the ball accurate.
I do agree with that.
Their offense, the Atlanta Falcons' offense, is not as good as last year, but it's really good. And their defense is way better than last year. They don't choke. Well, they still do choke. But I'm going to stay loyal to the Birds. Not the dirty Birds. Eagle.
All right.
Let's go, Birds. Eagles. Who would do it?
Okay. Madden has the Falcons.
They could
now,
suck my ball side.
Okay. I'm going to go ask Matt right now. Matt, Eagles or Falcons? Okay. He has the Eagles. So, me, Matt, Vicente are going with the Eagles this week. Go Birds. And Madden can go for the crappy team, the Atlanta Falcons. Besides, Matt Ryan has not had such a good homecoming in the link. 1-3. Ugh.
Seriously?
Yeah. And they're like 5-1 in total against the Falcons. So, next game. Titans at the Patriots.
Well, I want the Titans to win so bad.
Everyone wants the Titans
I
to win
want
so
them to
bad.
pull an upset. Marcus Mariota pulling an upset against the Chiefs. Marcus Mariota, the Hawaiian flying. That's another. Will he put an upset against Tom Brady, the old man, so ugly, fat?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, not fat, but he's slow.
Slower than Foles.
I want the Titans to win, but I think the Patriots are just gonna kill them. It's not
Yeah.
gonna be fun to watch.
I totally agree. I have New England as well. Let me get Matt. Tennessee or New England? Alright. Matt has New England. Madden is going with the upset, believe it or not. They actually, when I did the simulation, they won by a field goal. Yeah.
What was the score?
34-31.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. Jacksonville at Pittsburgh. Me, I have Jacksonville for the upset.
Jacksonville. I'm going with Jacksonville.
Okay. Jacksonville or Pittsburgh? Or, Saints and Vikings. Saints and Vikings. Okay. Matt has Pittsburgh. So me, Vicente, and Madden have Jacksonville winning this game. Their defense is just too hard to handle, especially Roethlisberger throwing. What was it? 5 interceptions? When
5.
Yeah, 5.
That's buttery.
And besides, Antonio Brown is still washed up too.
Yeah.
It's
gonna be fun. Who's guarding it? Is it Jalen Ramsey or AJ Boye?
Either one of them are like lockdown corners, so it really doesn't matter.
AJ Boye. We should have
It's
picked him up
probably
in free agency.
But
What
we
are we
didn't.
doing?
I don't know. There's always next season. We'll pick up someone too. Okay. The Saints at Minnesota. I don't know if this is an upset or not, but I am picking the Saints to win this game.
Yeah, me too. Saints all the way. Case Keenum's gonna turn into Case Keenum.
Matt has Minnesota, and Madden has what's it called? Has crap.
Saints?
Yeah. When I did the simulation too, it was like 42-6.
Oh my god, what the heck?
I know.
Madden's outrageous.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you know? You know?
Okay, so I have Eagles, Patriots, Jags, and Saints. Vicente has Eagles. He has the same as me. Matt has Eagles, New England, Pittsburgh, and Minnesota. He's the only one that's picking Minnesota this week. And Madden has Falcons, Titans, Jags, and Saints. Basically, this week for Madden is all upsets. Even though I think the Eagles would technically be an upset since they're underdogs.
The underdogs, which is...
I know. Okay, NFL honors are coming up soon. I did my NFL honor picks, if you would like to hear them.
Well, they're gonna have to, because you're probably gonna say it anyway.
My MVP is Carson Wentz, not to be biased. He's better than Brady. Who do you have?
Carson.
Okay. Coach of the Year, I have Doug Peterson. Who do you have?
Sean whatever his name was last.
Sean McVay.
Yeah, Sean McVay.
Offensive Player of the Year, I have Todd Gurley.
Same here. Todd Gurley was a beast this year.
Alright, Defensive Player of the Year, it was a little hard for me.
Brandon Graham.
Are you seriously picking him? Alright. I have Calais Campbell for the Jacksonville Jaguars. Offensive Rookie of the Year, I have Alvin Kamara. Who do you have? Basically, it's either between Kamara or Kareem Hunt.
Kareem Hunt.
Okay.
Actually, yeah.
Right. Defensive Rookie of the Year, I have Marshawn Lattimore. So yeah, I have Marshawn Lattimore. Who do you have for Defensive Rookie of the Year?
Marshawn Lattimore.
Okay. Comeback Player of the Year, I have Keenan Allen. He tore his ACL last week on the first week of the season. Keenan Allen, wide receiver for the Chargers.
It's supposed to get cold tonight, guys. Oh yeah, you're right. Keenan Allen, yeah. No, Nelson Aguilar just came back from 2 horrible seasons. He got his best season ever.
I really wanted to pick Aguilar, but it's the NFL. They hate the Eagles for some reason.
Yeah.
So, NFL.com Fantasy Player of the Year, I have Russell Wilson.
Russell Wilson.
Alright. This is a new award that's coming out. NFL celebration of the year. I have the electric slide from the Philadelphia Eagles. Would you like to do it real quick?
No.
Okay. Alright. NFL Ford built tough offensive line of the year. I have the Chargers.
Yeah, same here.
They allowed 13 sacks all season.
Same here.
Alright. FedEx Air and Ground Players of the Year. For air, I have Tom Brady. And for ground, I have Todd Gurley.
I have air for Carson Wentz, and ground, yeah, Todd Gurley.
Alright.
Or JJ.
Alright. Edge Clutch Performer of the Year. I don't have a pick for that one. I'm undecided.
Carson Wentz came in clutch every game, so Carson.
Yes. Alright. Play Bridgestone Performance Play of the Year. Texans wide receiver DeAndre Hopkins one-handed catch versus the Steelers on Christmas Day. If you remember that catch. We have bad editing skills, so we cannot show you the actual play. And plus, we're avoiding copyright.
Yeah.
But yeah, you know, if I do a demonstration, he went to go catch a one-handed, he went like that, but then Max, you get
He dropped the ball. You just didn't see it on screen.
managed to catch it one-handed in the bench. Shut up. Alright, enough. If only I had iMovie. Okay. Hall of Fame. I heard they're putting in like 5 people this year. I don't know, but I'm still picking 5.
Brian Dawkins.
Alright. Hall of Fame of 2018. I have free safety for the Eagles and Broncos, mainly Eagles. Brian Dawkins. Randy Moss, wide receiver for the Vikings, Raiders, Patriots, I think the Titans, and the 49ers. Middle linebacker Brian Urlacher spent all 12 of his seasons with the Chicago Bears.
Oof.
And Terrell Owens, you will finally make it this year.
Hopefully.
Wide receiver for the 49ers, Eagles, Cowboys, Bengals, and Bills.
Yeah.
Yep. Besides, he's like the second best receiver of all time. He's still not in the Hall of Fame yet.
Michael Johnson.
Well, I mean, statistically. Larry Fitzgerald is like top 10 right now.
Cynthia, where's your bowl?
So,
Pretty hot.
here are the picks for this week. Yep. NFC and AFC champion games are going to be Eagles, Saints, Jags, and Patriots. Then here's this, if you want to read it. There's the Hall of Fame down there. And yeah. Actually, what do you think Chef's game of the week is going to be?
Saints versus the Minnesota Vikings.
I have the same too. Go on. Touch. This is Chef's Take. Signing out now.
Go to bed.